Vikas, I came across something called an exit load in some mutual fund documents. What exactly is that?
Good question, Sapna. An exit load is a fee charged by some mutual funds if you redeem, that is, withdraw your investment before a specified period, typically within a few months or a year, as per the terms in the scheme-related documents.
So it's like a penalty for exiting early.
That's right. It's meant to discourage premature redemptions. Certain debt and equity funds apply exit loads to encourage investors to stay invested for the intended time horizon.
Why is that important for the fund?
Because when investors pull out money too soon, it can disrupt the fund manager's investment strategy and liquidity management. The exit load may help protect the interests of long-term investors.
Got it. So as long as I stay invested for the recommended time, I can avoid the fee?
Exactly. Just make sure to read all scheme-related documents carefully. Exit load structures vary across funds, and being informed helps you plan better. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.